So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. And his name is Sridhar Bangar. And we have the angel coach, Sunita Bharihok. Sunita is from Delhi and Sridhar is from Mumbai. And I was informed by the coach, the angel coach Sunita, that Sridhar Bangar, his age is 53 and he's from Mumbai. And the health issues that, Sridhar was having is he was having hypertension, knee pain, and sometimes this hypertension was also turning into hypotension. बहुत नीचे भी हो जाता था, right? And he was diabetic, and he was having neuropathic pain, stress. Now, following other changes after joining Go Nature, blood pressure came down to normal and tapered all the medicines 100%. So if somebody's saying BP cannot be reversed, here's the guy you can see in front of you. HbA1c is normal and 100% medicine free. All the diabetes medicine has been gone. And then we have, he has also written using 100% natural soap, toothpaste, sunlight, body earthing, all these things, the 49 medicines, and feel more energetic than earlier. Also has reduced 5 kg weight. And he says he loved the entire, cleansing process that he is going through. And let me tell you, his plan is not yet over. So the plan is of 6 months. I think he's in the second or third month. He's just in the middle of third month. So it's a great achievement. So I'll come to Sridhar and then I'll come to the angel coach. Sridhar, if you can please unmute yourself and share your journey. Yeah, over to you.
Yeah. Good evening, sir. And good evening, everybody. My name is Sridhar Bangar. As Vishal sir explained everything about me. So I just little bit explain about myself that I am working in one of MNC in Mumbai. It's an American-based company. I am director of my company, and due to this things, I have to travel a lot worldwide. Means I have to travel each part of the world, including India also, and a lot of traveling. So in the pandemic time, suddenly I came through some diseases like hypertension and blood pressure, and I visited doctor and started some medicines. Afterwards, I sometimes means my weight was put on maybe 15-16 kg. I was overweight. So somebody suggested me to do take supplements of Herbalife. Then I joined Herbalife. I took Herbalife supplement more than 3 years, but my weight was came down around 15-16 kg. I came down, put down my weight. But the problem was happened due to that the schedule of mine is very busy. I have to travel a lot, so a lot of stress, anxiety was there. So due to that, my health was something, it's deteriorating all the time. And in December 2024, suddenly I fall down due to कुछ चक्कर जैसा आ गया. Then I fall down. So I went to doctor. He gave me some treatment and he suggested me so many tests, including brain MRI and all. So I did all the tests, but all tests were normal. But my blood pressure was always like 90 to 150 around like that, and sugar level was also above, like it is not too much high, but doctor started medicine for me for that blood sugar also. So after taking this blood pills, in between I started my own health club also. So lack of time, my stress in circadian cycle is totally disturbed. I could not sleep properly. I cannot eat properly. My eating time habits are bad. My sleeping habits are bad. Traveling all the times means sometimes I'm in USA, so lot of time changes, differences are there. So in October, 5th of October, I came through one of these webinar link of Vishal sirs, and I joined that link on 5th of October. And उनका एक ही वर्ड मुझे अच्छा लगा, KTJ, करो तो जानो. सो मैंने इतना कुछ किया था, तो आई थॉट ये भी एक करके देखते हैं, शायद मेरे लाइफ में कुछ चेंजेस आ जाए. सो आई स्टार्टेड, मीन्स वेरी immediately from next day onwards I stopped my all MRP, no MRP. I came down, means कोई भी MRP चीज नहीं लिया. जो 28 या 30 डेज का जो पावर बिल्डिंग का जो चैलेंज था, विशाल सर ने बोला था कि आपके घर पे प्राइम मिनिस्टर आ जाए, कोई भी आ जाए, आपको मिस नहीं करना है. मैं डेडिकेटली वो फॉलो किया सारी चीजें, एंड विद इन अ मंथ मुझे अपने आप में कुछ चेंजेस दिखाई दिए. Then suddenly I thought कि this is a miracle and this is something great for me. एंड यहाँ पे कुछ पैसा भी खर्चा नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि सप्लीमेंट में तो मेरे काफी खर्चे हो रहे थे. मैं लोगों को सप्लीमेंट बेचता भी था, मैं काफी अच्छा कमाता भी था. बट आई थॉट कि दैट इज नॉट गुड, क्योंकि उसमें भी सारे मिल्क कंटेंट और मैनमेड फूड है. सो इट शुड बी नॉट नेचुरल फूड. सो मुझे मेरी बात समझ में थोड़ी आने लगी थी. Then I joined in December. I joined this Gold under the guidance of Sunita ma'am. Sunita ma'am is very wonderful. She very first week she asked me so many questions. आपको ये खाना पड़ेगा, ये पीना पड़ेगा, आपको ये इतना टाइम सोना पड़ेगा. I told her that मेरा शेड्यूल वर्क शेड्यूल इज लाइक दैट कि मैं आज यहाँ पे मुंबई में हूँ तो कल मैं शायद चेन्नई में रहूंगा, परसों में कहाँ बाहर रहूंगा. सो उन्होंने मुझे एक ही चीज बोला कि आपको जितना पॉसिबल है, नॉट 100%, बट आपको जितना पॉसिबल है आप उतना कर सकते हैं और करने की कोशिश कीजिए. सो आई स्टार्टेड दैट जर्नी इन डिसम्बर एंड दिस इज माई 3rd month. And within 2 months, I found that my blood pressure is normal. My HbA1c is totally normal. Earlier it was 6.7, 7.8 like that. And so recently my report kiya, so it's a normal level. So I felt, and I'm feeling very energetic. My weight came down 5-6 kg. क्योंकि ये ड्यूरिंग पैंडेमिक के बाद में जब मैंने ये सप्लीमेंट खाना छोड़ दिया, उसके बाद में मेरा वेट फिर से उतना ही हो गया था जितना मैंने छोड़ा था, उससे 2-3 kg ज़्यादा ही हो गया था. सो सडनली मैंने सोचा कि ये सप्लीमेंट खाने से ये फॉर द टाइम बिंग रहता है और इसके बॉडी के अंदर कुछ किडनी का कितना खराब करता है या बाकी के बॉडी को इंटरनली कितना डैमेज करता है, वो मैंने मेरे वाइफ के केस में देखा. क्योंकि मेरे वाइफ का भी बाल ग्लैडर निकाला है, वो भी उसने भी 12-13 kg का वेट लॉस किया था. उनका गाल ब्लैडर निकालना पड़ा, उनका ओवरीज निकालनी पड़े वो लास्ट 2-3 years में. सो इट वाज वेरी वर्स्ट थिंग. सो ये 3 महीने से मैं सुनीता मैम के गाइडेंस में बहुत अच्छा कर रहा हूँ. जर्नी नॉट कंप्लीटेड, इट इज स्टार्टेड, जस्ट स्टार्टेड. आई वुड से जस्ट स्टार्टेड एंड आई विल कीप अहेड. और मेरा एक ही मकसद है, जैसा मेरी लाइफ में कुछ हीलिंग कर पाया हूँ मैं, सो मैं ये प्रोसेस और लोगों तक पहुंचाऊं और काफी लोगों को मुझे हील करना है. थैंक यू सर.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Sridhar, for this lovely interaction. So I'll come to the angel coach, Sunita Bharihok. If you can please unmute yourself, madam.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yes, my journey with Sridhar has been very interesting. In fact, first we met and he said, I'll be traveling, I'll start late. Another week went by. Then again he said, this time we will be traveling. So I told him, travel is a part of your life. So anyway, there you have to begin. Maybe not 100% as he said. Jitna hota hai, utna to shuru karo. So all I had to do was little motivate him, and rest was his own willingness. And most of it he'd learned from your webinars only. I was just a channel to, execute it. It is his, most important thing about him was that he himself was eating Herbalife. He himself was selling Herbalife and making money out of that. And he gave them up immediately. The day he realized this was bad, he gave it up, not for himself, even selling. Though in your seminars you say, agar aap kama rahe ho to it's okay, go on. But I admire the spirit because he believes in it truly, and that's how the faith, that's how he is. And I always say, if you have to pass an exam with 40% effort, you can get 80% marks. But only for the next 20%, you really have to put 60% effort.
Wow.
In this case, he had hardly any disease, as we call it. Some symptoms of diabetes and BP. Baki kuch nahi tha. The fact that we could make a difference even in that, health is what I feel is an achievement. बहुत सारी diseases होती हैं तो फर्क पड़ ही जाता है.
True.
कम सी disease हो और उसमें फर्क पड़े and life becomes better. ये हमारी achievement है, ये इनकी achievement है. So I think it is his commitment and our help. That's the one.
Amazing.
Thank you, Sridhar, for following everything.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sir. I will add some more things. That actually I was following that not only MRP but barefoot walk. Daily I am doing that barefoot walk, daily sunlight. So it is very essential, and using a lot of herbs like adrak and pudina and all those things. That means I stopped all MRP and started consuming all these natural things. So natural herbs.
Amazing. So everybody just type MPTY for Sridhar and the angel coach Sunita. Please type MPTY.
Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming here. Thank you so much, Sunita.